In this video, we will discuss the error code PC02 in air conditioning units. Let's start by saying that when the temperature of the Intelligent Power Module, IPM, located on the circuit board of the outdoor unit and responsible for supplying current to the compressor motor, exceeds a specific temperature value, the system will display the PC02 code. In other models, the PC02 code can also be triggered when the temperature at the compressor head exceeds a certain value. However, in some other air conditioning models, with a high pressure switch, if the high side pressure exceeds a certain value, the outdoor unit's pressure switch will cut off power to the compressor and display the error code PC02. Many air conditioning equipment manufacturers use the PC02 code to denote a problem, with some of the most well-known brands being Carrier, Lennox, Midea, Mr. Cool, Pioneer. Since all the previous meanings for the PC02 code are related, we recommend following these general steps. 1. Disconnect the equipment for several minutes, turn it on, and check if the error persists. 2. Using a multimeter set to AC voltage, check the value of the power supply from the external electrical network. A voltage value lower than normal causes higher current consumption, which can overheat the IPM electronic module and generate the PC02 code. 3. Check the free and correct rotation of the fans to rule out bearing problems. Additionally, check the condition of the electrical connections, and using a multimeter set to capacitance, check the state of the capacitors if any fan motor uses them. 4. Check the cleanliness of the coil of the outdoor and indoor units, including the air filter. 5. On the outdoor circuit board, identify the Intelligent Power Module, IPM. Check the securing screws between the outdoor circuit board and the IPM module heat exchanger to ensure perfect contact, guaranteeing that the heat from the IPM module is dissipating correctly. 6. Check the electrical connections that power the compressor. Loose or bad connections should be fixed. 7. Perform a visual inspection of the circuit board, checking the traces that run from the IPM module to the electrical connector that powers the compressor. 8. Disconnect the compressor electrically and using a multimeter set to low electrical resistance, measure the resistance value between pins. The values obtained between the pairs of pins should be practically equal, thus ruling out an internal electrical problem in the compressor motor. 9. For units with a high pressure switch, cut the power to the unit. Check the firmness of the pressure switch connections. 10. Disconnect the pressure switch plug and verify if the pressure, with the unit off, allows current to pass for its activation.